Good day everyone, this is XK Tutor. So for today's video, we're going to solve a differential calculus problem that uses quotient rule. So we have a problem here which is y is equal to 4x squared minus 3 all over 2x minus 1. So y prime is equal to, let's copy dv, which is 2x minus 1. Then let's derive du, which is the numerator. If we derive 4x squared, that will be 8x. And if we derive negative 3, that is a constant, so that is 0. Minus, let's copy du, which is 4x squared minus 3. Then let's derive dv, the denominator, which is 2x minus 1. And if we derive 2x, that is 2. If we derive negative 1, since it is a constant, that is 0. All over v squared. So let's just square the denominator. So let's simplify things here. Let's distribute 2x here. So 2x times 8x, that is 16x squared. Negative 1 times 8x, that is negative 8x. Minus, so let's distribute 2 here. 2 times 4x squared, that is 8x squared. Negative 3 times 2, that is negative 6. And let's just copy the denominator. So let's simplify it further by distributing the negative sign here. So let's distribute it here and here. So 16x squared minus 8x minus 8x squared. Negative times negative 6, that would be positive 6. Then let's copy the denominator again. And let's simplify it further. 16x squared minus 8x squared, that is equal to 8x squared. And let's copy the negative 8x plus 6 all over 2x minus 1 quantity squared. So since we can't further simplify, that's the final answer for the problem. So I hope you guys learned something today, and see you again next time.